This is the one and only tigers. This is a tiger. This is a white panther. They're beautiful together. They are like lions and tigers. They do the exact same thing. Look at her lick his paw. They are brother and sister. They care so much about them. They love each other. Just imagine. They had babies. Their babies would be deformed. That's why they're never going to get married. So, action. He don't get so close. He likes the ground. Oh, big yawn. Can you guys say something? Can you? Whitey? Say something? What about you, Cody Bro? This is Cody Bro. Meet the Cody.
Wasn't that nice?
Thanks, Evan.
Meet the Whitey. Her name's Whitey. She's the beautiful one. Cody.
Where can I wash up? Upstairs. Right past the bed chamber.
Look how pretty they are together. They're just like... Oh, and they came out of the same mom, too. Imagine that. White and brown.
He doesn't like when I drink too much.
There are 5 stages to the hero's journey. Stage 1 is the call to adventure. That's where an act of fate actually chooses our hero. Okay, then can I help you?
Yeah, sorry, I'm late.
You're about 2 months.
This is his tail. Hold on. Patrick, stop! Look at him bite her paw.
The hero proves himself worthy on a road of travel.